The National Weather Service in Wilmington, Ohio, has issued a flash flood warning for Hamilton County in southwest Ohio until 12:52 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:51 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain and thunderstorms producing heavy rain/showers producing heavy rainfall. Flash flooding is ongoing across the warned area. Between 2 up to 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall of up to 8 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing, or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain/thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar and automated rain gauges reported flash flooding. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cincinnati, Ohio. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. If you are driving in a vehicle, turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:52 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio: Hamilton,